It's important to remember that challenges and difficulties are a common part of life. Seeking help and support, when needed, is perfectly acceptable. Here are several tips to help you approach your problem. Firstly, clearly define the problem. Identifying the specific issue you are facing is crucial. A clear understanding allows you to develop a targeted plan for addressing it. Secondly, break the problem down into smaller parts. Large or complex problems can feel overwhelming. Divide them into smaller, more manageable pieces. This makes the problem less daunting and easier to tackle effectively. Thirdly, explore different solutions. Brainstorm various approaches to solve the problem. Often, multiple solutions exist, so don't limit yourself to the first idea that comes to mind. Consider different angles and possibilities. Fourthly, identify the pros and cons of each potential solution. Once you have several options, carefully weigh the advantages and disadvantages of each. This analysis helps you make an informed decision about which solution best fits your needs and circumstances. Fifthly, take action. After choosing a solution, implement it. Don't hesitate to ask for help from others during this phase if you need it. Collaboration and support can be invaluable. Sixthly, be patient and persistent. Solving a problem often requires time and effort. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Continue working diligently, and eventually you'll achieve your goal. Remember, you are not alone. Many individuals care and want to support your success. Don't hesitate to reach out for help when you require it. Utilizing these strategies provides a structured approach to problem solving, leading to more effective outcomes and increased confidence in overcoming future challenges. The ability to dissect a problem into its constituent parts is a powerful skill, particularly when faced with seemingly insurmountable obstacles. By systematically addressing each smaller segment, the overall complexity diminishes and progress becomes more readily achievable. Consider a scenario where you're tasked with improving the energy efficiency of a building. This seemingly broad objective can be broken down into smaller, more manageable projects. Firstly, analyze the building's energy consumption patterns through energy audits and data logging. Secondly, identify areas of energy waste, such as inefficient lighting, HVAC systems, or insulation. Thirdly, research and compare different energy-efficient technologies and solutions suitable for each identified area. Fourthly, prioritize projects based on cost-effectiveness and potential energy savings. Fifthly, implement the chosen solutions, such as upgrading to LED lighting, improving insulation, or installing a smart thermostat. Sixthly, monitor the results and make adjustments as needed to optimize performance. Each of these subtasks represents a smaller, more focused problem to solve, contributing to the overall goal of improving energy efficiency. The exploration of diverse solutions is a cornerstone of effective problem solving. Resisting the temptation to settle on the first apparent answer and instead engaging in brainstorming and creative thinking can unlock innovative and more effective approaches. For example, if a company is experiencing declining sales, several potential solutions could be explored. Firstly, conduct market research to identify changing customer preferences and trends. Secondly, analyze the company's marketing strategies and identify areas for improvement. Thirdly, evaluate the product line and consider developing new products or modifying existing ones. Fourthly, assess the company's pricing strategy and consider adjusting prices to remain competitive. Fifthly, improve customer service and build stronger relationships with customers. Sixthly, explore new distribution channels to reach a wider audience. By considering a range of options, the company can choose the most appropriate and impactful solutions to address the declining sales issue. Evaluating the pros and cons of each potential solution is an essential step in making informed decisions. A thorough analysis helps identify the potential benefits and risks associated with each approach, enabling a more balanced and strategic choice. Consider the scenario of choosing between two different types of renewable energy systems for a home. Firstly, solar photovoltaic panels. The pros include clean energy generation, reduced electricity bills, and potential government incentives. The cons include high initial costs, dependence on sunlight, and aesthetic concerns. Secondly, wind turbine. The pros include high energy output in windy areas, low operating costs, and potential for off-grid power. The cons include noise pollution, visual impact on the landscape, and dependence on wind availability. By comparing the advantages and disadvantages of each system, a homeowner can make a more informed decision based on their specific needs, location, and budget. Taking action is the crucial step that transforms planning into reality. Without implementation, even the most well-conceived solutions remain theoretical. This step requires initiative, commitment, and a willingness to overcome potential obstacles. Consider a student struggling with procrastination. To overcome this challenge, the student could firstly create a detailed study schedule with specific goals and deadlines. Secondly, break down large assignments into smaller, more manageable tasks. Thirdly, find a quiet and comfortable study environment free from distractions. Fourthly, use techniques such as the Pomodoro technique to stay focused and productive. Fifthly, reward themselves for completing tasks and achieving goals. Sixthly, seek help from tutors or study groups when needed. By taking consistent action and implementing these strategies, the student can gradually overcome procrastination and improve their academic performance. Patience and persistence are indispensable qualities in problem solving. Challenges may arise, progress may be slow, and setbacks may occur. Maintaining a positive attitude and a willingness to persevere through difficulties is essential for eventual success. Consider a software developer working on a complex bug. Firstly, the developer might spend hours debugging code, trying different approaches without success. Secondly, they might encounter unexpected errors or conflicts that further complicate the problem. Thirdly, they might feel frustrated and discouraged, questioning their abilities. However, by remaining patient and persistent, the developer can continue to analyze the code, experiment with different solutions, and seek help from colleagues. Eventually, through careful investigation and determination, the developer will identify and fix the bug, improving the software's functionality and stability. Remember that seeking help and support from others is a sign of strength, not weakness. Collaboration, mentorship, and shared experiences can provide valuable insights, motivation, and encouragement in overcoming challenges. Consider an entrepreneur launching a new business. Firstly, they might face numerous challenges, such as securing funding, developing a business plan, and building a team. Secondly, they might experience setbacks, such as failed marketing campaigns or product delays. Thirdly, they might feel overwhelmed and uncertain about the future. However, by seeking advice from mentors, joining industry networks, and collaborating with other entrepreneurs, they can gain valuable knowledge, support, and inspiration. This support system can help them navigate challenges, overcome obstacles, and increase their chances of success. The application of these principles extends beyond personal challenges and into various professional domains. In engineering, for example, problem solving is at the heart of the profession. Engineers are constantly tasked with identifying problems, designing solutions, and implementing them effectively. A civil engineer designing a bridge must firstly consider the environmental factors, such as wind and seismic activity. Secondly, they must analyze the load-bearing capacity of the materials used. Thirdly, they must ensure the bridge is aesthetically pleasing and functional for traffic flow. By applying a systematic approach to problem solving, the engineer can create a safe, efficient, and sustainable structure. Similarly, in computer science, problem solving is a fundamental skill. Software developers must be able to firstly identify and debug errors in code. Secondly, they must design algorithms and data structures that solve complex problems efficiently. Thirdly, they must collaborate with other developers to build and maintain software systems. By honing their problem-solving skills, computer scientists can create innovative and impactful technologies. In medicine, problem-solving is critical for diagnosing and treating illnesses. Doctors must be able to firstly gather information from patients through physical exams and medical history. Secondly, they must interpret test results and identify potential diagnoses. Thirdly, they must develop treatment plans that address the patient's specific needs. By applying their knowledge and problem-solving skills, doctors can improve the health and well-being of their patients. In business, problem-solving is essential for making strategic decisions and achieving organizational goals. Managers must be able to firstly, identify opportunities and threats in the market. Secondly, they must analyze data and trends to make informed decisions. Thirdly, they must develop and implement strategies that create value for the company. By applying their problem-solving skills, business leaders can drive innovation, improve efficiency, and achieve sustainable growth. Moreover, problem-solving is not just a skill for professionals. It is also a valuable life skill that can help individuals navigate everyday challenges and achieve personal goals. Whether it's firstly, resolving conflicts with others, secondly, managing finances effectively, or thirdly, making informed decisions about health and well-being, problem-solving skills can empower individuals to lead more fulfilling and successful lives. One important aspect of problem-solving is the ability to think critically. Critical thinking involves analyzing information objectively, identifying assumptions, and evaluating evidence to form well-reasoned conclusions. This skill is essential for identifying the root cause of problems and developing effective solutions. Another important aspect of problem-solving is creativity. Creativity involves generating new ideas and approaches to solving problems. This skill is particularly useful when dealing with complex or ambiguous problems that require innovative solutions. Furthermore, effective communication is essential for problem-solving, especially when working in teams. Being able to clearly articulate problems, share ideas, and listen to others' perspectives is crucial for collaborative problem-solving. In addition to these skills, having a positive attitude and a growth mindset can significantly enhance problem-solving abilities. A positive attitude helps maintain motivation and resilience when faced with challenges, while a growth mindset emphasizes the belief that abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. By cultivating these skills and attitudes, individuals can become more effective problem solvers and achieve greater success in all areas of their lives. In conclusion, problem solving is a fundamental skill that is essential for success in both personal and professional contexts. By firstly defining problems clearly, secondly, breaking them down into smaller parts, thirdly, exploring different solutions, fourthly, evaluating the pros and cons of each solution, fifthly, taking action, and sixthly, being patient and persistent, individuals can overcome challenges and achieve their goals. Remember to seek help and support from others when needed, and cultivate skills such as critical thinking, creativity, and effective communication. With the right approach and mindset, problem solving can become a powerful tool for personal growth and achievement. The process of problem solving can be further enhanced by incorporating techniques such as firstly, root cause analysis, which involves identifying the underlying causes of a problem rather than just addressing the symptoms. Secondly, brainstorming, which involves generating a large number of ideas in a non-judgmental environment. Thirdly, decision matrices, which involve evaluating different options based on a set of criteria. Fourthly, design thinking, which involves a human-centered approach to problem-solving that emphasizes empathy, experimentation, and iteration. By utilizing these techniques, individuals can approach problems more systematically and creatively, leading to more effective and innovative solutions. Moreover, it is important to continuously learn and improve problem-solving skills. This can be achieved through firstly, reading books and articles on problem solving, secondly, attending workshops and training sessions, thirdly, seeking feedback from others on problem solving approaches, and fourthly, reflecting on past experiences and identifying areas for improvement. By continuously investing in their problem solving abilities, individuals can become more adaptable and resilient in the face of challenges and achieve greater success in their personal and professional lives. The ability to effectively solve problems is a valuable asset in today's rapidly changing world. As technology advances and new challenges emerge, individuals who can think critically, creatively, and collaboratively will be well positioned to succeed. By embracing a proactive approach to problem solving and continuously developing their skills, individuals can unlock their full potential and make a positive impact on the world. Therefore, embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and cultivate the problem-solving skills that will enable you to thrive in an ever-evolving world. Remember that every problem presents an opportunity to learn, innovate, and make a difference. By approaching problems with a positive attitude, a willingness to collaborate, and a commitment to continuous improvement, you can unlock your full potential and achieve your goals.